Oh, hello, it's me, Loot084, Art and Games, back again. Do apologise, guys, that I have had such a long absence of making any kind of YouTube video or any lengthy kind of YouTube video. As you know, there's been lots of shorts throughout Inktober, and as you can see, I'm no longer, and there's probably a little bit of an echo, but I'm no longer in my own studio. I've actually moved home. I got out of that horrible place that I was living, and now I'm living in such a better place. Obviously, the studio is kind of gone, so I'm sort of using the kitchen table at the moment to make my videos. And yeah, I'm back once again to make some more YouTube videos. They are going to be a little bit scatty. They are going to be here and there because, again, I'm sort of trying to figure out what I can do, where I can do it, and how I can do it. But I have got myself an Etsy channel, Etsy shop that is going to be opening very, very, very soon. And on that note, I've got things for you to buy for your Xmas presents or your Christmas presents. As you know, I normally do a bit something negative and I go for anti-Christmas. This year, because I'm in a better situation and I'm feeling a little bit more better about it, I'm going to do something a bit more positive. I'm going to be making some decorations for your tree. I'm going to be showing you how to design yourself something for that tree. Also, how to design something for your fridge. And also something that's going to be standing alone. They're all going to be made out of polymer clay, but first you've got to design them. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be designing them, how to design your own creation. It's not going to be so much my own creation, as you know, it's a YouTuber's thing, you steal somebody else's idea. I'm going to be doing a thing called a GONK. A GONK. If you don't know what a GONK is, basically it looks like this. It's got a hat, Christmas hat, got a nose, got a beard, and I thought, hey, that's me. Let's have a go at that. So, without further ado, let's put my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm drawing, because I've already done a few drafts up, and what I'm going to be doing is sort of going over it into a bit of pen today, fine-lining some of the details. But before I can do any of that, let's show you what I've actually drawn, shall we? Why? Right, okay, so I did say that I've already done a few illustrations already, or a few sketches using my, mechanical pencil. I do have a lot more pencils now, so I may be doing some more art and things like that, using these colour pencils. Probably not in this video, I want to do some Copic markers in this one, but yeah, I've got a load of sketching pencils. So if you've got any ideas, let me know for something to draw. I have drawn a few bits and bobs, but they are up on my short video, so if you want to go check those out, get some ideas or something else, go and check them out. But we're talking about gonks. Once again, the word gonk. If you haven't seen them, they're quite popular at the moment. And I thought to myself, why not try and have a go at making a magnet or a tree decoration. Also a one with a string and a string one with a tree decoration. Also a standalone, which is going to be sort of just a figurine, same as I've done before. I'm going to be using wire and tin foil and all sorts of good stuff for that one. He's got a lot of things, but what I want to talk about today, firstly, is this one here. This one is the magnet. This one it's going to be going similar to the blue thing that I made, or the dangly arms, or the detachable arms. And this one here, I'm going to try and make it have detachable arms, maybe detachable legs, but not so much the detachable hat, because I don't think that's going to work with it dangling off the tree. This one is going to definitely hang off the tree. His arms are going to be detachable. You're going to have a beard and things, and that good hat there, and a little loop around the top to hang off the tree. I'm not sure if I'm going to turn that into metal or if I'm just going to be thread. We'll see what happens when I get around to the making of it. Then I've got another design here. I don't know which one I wanted to choose, so I sort of did a couple designs. Again, I'll have detachable arms, detachable legs, and all the rest of the good stuff, and hang off the tree. Either hang off the tree or be able to be stuck onto your fridge, just as a little bit of a fridge decoration, things like that. We'll see how that works out, because I have some more. I have some funding now. Finally got myself some funding to actually get around to fully working on things. So if you are interested in anything that I am making or have made, definitely let me know in the comments down below, or you can come over to my TikTok or my Instagram. Same name, different place. Apart from it's Blut084, BLUT084. 084. And it's Art and Games on Instagram and just Bloot084 over there on TikTok. But you can always leave me a comment down below. But if you were a bit shy and asking things, come over to Instagram, come over to TikTok and privately message me over there. But yeah, this one here as the second thing I wanted to design. I don't want to have detachable arms for all of them, so I've given this one, sort of went back to the drawing board and went back with a few more ideas. Again, we're still having the same loop at the top. Probably change the design of the mustache and the beard. I might just have a few different ones. Again, if you like any of these certain designs, let me know and I will do the particular ones. Or if you've got another mustache that you really think, oh, that would be funny to have as a decoration, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get around to making some of those as well. But this one will have string arms, string legs. They'll be all dangly like that Spider-Man I made with all that string. He's not going to have any magnets. He's just going to dangle off your tree. But this one here, it's going to have the same idea. We'll have dangly arms, but I'm going to put magnets in his feet, magnets in his hands, and he'll be able to be either, again, you can hang him from your tree, because I'll give him a loop at the top, or you can put him on your fridge, or something, or somewhere, or wherever you want to put them. You'll probably be able to put them on your heater. I'm not sure, depending on the paint that I use, but again, if you want them to be on your heater, or if you want to be in a particular place, let me know before you order, and I will get round to getting some decent paint, or not so much a decent paint, but paint that won't go bad if it's in certain areas and seen heats and things like that. But on this standalone one here, I went a bit off brand of what I was doing here. He is going to be just standing alone. He isn't going to be able to hang. He's going to be about, I would say, 6 maybe 10 centimeters high. He'll have long legs. He'll have his arms. They will be movable, these arms and legs, so you'll be able to bend them around, because I'll be putting some wire inside them and make them bendable. I've learned a lot since having some time off and different techniques and things like that. And yeah, I'll probably give him some detachable earphones, because they are earphones or not ear muffs, because I kind of wanted to make him look a bit more like a cool one, a bit groovy, a bit more, he's listening to music on his AirPods, or on his earphones and things like that. If you want AirPods, again, if you want any particular design on the standalone, you can let me know and I'll go and make that one for you. But yeah, he's going to be standalone, about 6 centimeters, maybe 10, who knows. I might make him really, really big, I might make him really, really small. Again, sizes are all up to you if you want to order one for yourself. These won't obviously be quite small because they have to dangle off a tree. But again, if you want something that goes on the fridge and you want a little bit bigger, let me know and I'll make them a little bit bigger so you can have them on your fridge, and I'll get some nice strong magnets to keep them up. But yeah, this is where you basically go. Once you've finished your designs, you want to kind of like idea and what you want to start picking, what you want to do. Again, I told this one's going to have detachable arms, so I put beside it detachable arms. And this one's going to be small, and this one will be either standalone or things like that. I was just putting some ideas down, what I actually want it to be, because when it comes around to making it, I could be a week, I could be 2 weeks by the time I actually get around to making them, and I'll be like, what did I want to do with this one? How did I want this to be? So it's always good to put your ideas down beside it so you don't forget for future references. Again, I put the magnets here. I did draw them, but then again, I've come back and go, why did I put a circle there? So I always put a magnet there, a hoop there, and I knew this was string. So let's pop my pencil out, and we'll see. I've got the wrong pencil. Get the other one. I don't want to put it in pen, so give me a second. There we go, got my other pencil, mechanical pencil. Yeah, so we'll do this and we'll say that's string. String there. String for his arms and his legs. And then we'll join that because that's string as well. And then obviously we'll go around here and say that's string too. So we've joining all of that up, so that's definitely going to be string for his arms and his legs. Again, we've done the magnet part. Done the hoop because we know that's going to be a hoop. Again, I don't know if it's going to be a metal, so it could be metal, or it could be just some string again. Yeah, so we don't know what it's going to be, so we put a few ideas down, And this one here, we've got the earphones. Earphones, I didn't only put earphones, so I'm gonna put detachable, so removable. I'm really bad at movable. I can't spell, so that's probably spelled wrong. But removable, I all know what it means. Removable, and we got the wire, so movable arms and legs. We already put that there. Not sure if I want to put pom-pom at the top or just put it in clay, so I put pom-pom just to say, oh, should I find a pom-pom to put up there and things like that. Again, furry, I don't think I'm going to have a furry beard. I kind of want to just make that out of clay, but again, if you want that to be furry, let me know and I'll get some felt and I'll work out something how to work that. Yeah, I think for what I've shown you, hopefully I've got an idea of what and how to design your own thing. I'm going to go over these now with a bit of pen and make them look a little bit better. Then I'm going to copy marker them out so I can get some ideas on pen, what colours I want them to be. Because I think I want to have that one in blue and yellow. I want that to be in green and red, whereas I want that one to be red and white. And I'm not sure for this one, or this one. This will probably be white and red and white, like the Santa Claus sort of thing. But yeah, let's get around to doing that. I'm going to speed things up now. Hopefully you'll keep joining in and you'll see how I get around to doing that and what it looks like after I've inked everything. So let's get inking and make these designs look a little bit. There we go. All coloured in, all sharpened out, making it look nice. Hopefully you'll stick around for the next video. That'll be coming in about a week or so time. Well, I'll be making these out of polymer clay. Hello, Bog. He's come to say hello to me. Again, this one here is the magnet that will be going in your fridge, or it can be put onto the tree. This will be about 2 to 3 centimeters, and then one below is just in a different color. And again, removable arms, removable legs, and things like that. Well, we got this one with the string dangly arms. I think that'll be a tree decoration. Again, same size as these ones, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit smaller. We'll see what weight we can do with that. And on this one, we've got magnets in the arms and the legs. And the final one is the standalone, which will be about 10 centimeters to about 6 to 10 centimeters. Again, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, ding the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.